So hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Saisha YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make delicious creamy chocolate pudding. So let's start. Take 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla powder, 3 teaspoon sugar powder, 500 ml of milk. I boiled it for 30 minutes so it becomes creamy. Then mix well. Take 2 tablespoons of milk, boil it, and then put your gas on low temperature. Mix and then mix it nicely with this whisker, and remember you have to do this process on low temperature, otherwise your egg will scramble. And then turn off the gas on this consistency. It's ready. Serve in glass. Then garnish with some chocolate, grated chocolate we say, and it's done. Enjoy. Do like, subscribe and comment. Bye.